Guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be remaking a wig. So apparently my client got a wig online and it wasn't exactly what she ordered that she got. So I am going to be remaking a wig. It actually was frontal wig, but the frontal was kind of very short. So I will be remaking the wig using a 360 frontal. So guys, let's see how it goes. So guys, once I'm done sewing in my 360 frontal to my wig cap, I'll just go ahead and sew in the hair bundles step by step. For some reason guys, I lost some parts of the video, but the only thing I did was just to sew in the hair bundles. I promise to show you a more detailed video. So guys, once I'm done sewing in the bundles on top of the wig cap, I'm going to go ahead and use a pair of scissors to cut out the excess wig cap because I do not need it. I only needed the wig cap just to get the base. And once I'm